So I'm here with Scott Kucharyshen from Sask Polytech here in Saskatoon. He's the program head of the auto body program, and one of our goals is to make Sask Polytech the #1 training center in Western Canada for auto body repair. But maybe you could tell me a little bit about your program, Scott.
Well, thank you, Tom. So our program is a full 4-year apprenticeship program. We are running a group of certificates 3 times a year right now through various and sundry different initiatives. We're also running the 6 groups of apprentices this year. Our training program is a little bit unique than others, where we have a unique partnership with our government insurance, and where we're fixing total loss vehicles as part of our training and putting them back on the road. We work very closely with SAAR in the fact that we are trying out new training initiatives. We are very much in partnership with you, Tom, and with SGI to ensure that the shops and technicians of Saskatchewan are meeting or beating SGI training requirements.
So. Glad to have you on board, Scott. What do you got doing over here? Some kind of virtual spray machine?
That's what it is, Tom. It's one of our pieces of training equipment that we have. Actually, SAAR was very instrumental in getting a second one for our Regina campus. And we have some students that are on there right now, and they're trying their hand at spraying. And the nice thing about the simulated spray machine is that it breaks the painting process down into technique versus actually watching and making the paint flow correctly. So, you know, it's almost like dancing. You have to learn how to walk without looking at your feet, and then you can start putting the dance moves in.
Such
we found it very highly successful.
Such a cool tool, and you don't have to spray paint all over the room to do it.
That's right.
Perfect. Scott Kucharyshen, thank you very much. And Sask Polytechnic, we really appreciate your partnership. Thank you.
Thank you for having me on, Tom.